Imagine this. You're at a tech conference. Everyone's pitching loud, flashy decks, buzzwords like synergy and disruption flying like confetti. Then there's this one booth. No noise, no neon. Just a laptop and a guy in a hoodie whispering, "Hey, want to build your own system?" That was Notion. No billion-dollar marketing budget, no celebrity founder with a Tesla. Yet today, it sits atop Silicon Valley's productivity throne. So how the heck did this silent monk of an app pull off a digital heist? Notion isn't an app. It's a blank universe. Let's get this straight. Notion doesn't do anything specific. It doesn't scream, "I'm for notes," or "I'm a task manager." It just opens up blank, empty. Like a quiet room with good lighting. That's the magic. In a world where every app wants to boss you around, Notion is like, "Yo, I'm the IKEA of your brain. You bring the furniture. Want to build a content calendar? Do it. Second brain? Sure. A budget tracker with cat memes in it? You psycho, do it." The point is, it gives control back to you. And that's addictive. Because when a tool adapts to you instead of you adapting to it, you feel like a damn genius. That's not productivity. That's ego fuel. And it works. Part 2, marketing by not marketing. Now here's the juicy part. While other startups were spending millions on ads, Notion did the opposite. They gave away templates. They slid into the DMS of creators. They quietly empowered productivity nerds to do one thing: show off. Reddit exploded. Productivity. YouTubers couldn't shut up. People weren't saying, "Hey, I use Notion." They were saying, "Hey, look at what I built in Notion." And that's where the game changed. This wasn't word of mouth. This was word of flex. Everyone became a micro-influencer for free. And the more people bragged, the more people wanted to try it. It's not network effects, it's narcissist effects. The ramen and code era plot twist. Notion almost died. In 2015, it was buggy, clunky, and investors ghosted harder than your gym accountability buddy. So what did the founders do? They shut the office, moved to Japan, and rebuilt everything from scratch. Literally ramen and code. 2 years of monastic silence. No PR, no hustle, just craft. And what emerged wasn't just an app. It was a damn dojo for digital thinkers. This wasn't a pivot. This was rebirth. Sometimes the quietest rooms build the loudest products. Why it worked. Psychological warfare Notion didn't trick your brain. It gave it a sandbox. It weaponized creativity. The layout is minimal, but your brain fills in the gaps. Like when you see a blank notebook and instantly feel like writing your memoir. That's the same vibe. It made productivity feel like play. And when something feels playful, you come back. Also, the font? Aesthetic. That crisp, clean font made your to-do list feel like a commandment from your future millionaire self. So, what's the real lesson? You don't need to be loud to go viral. You don't need 100 features. You don't need a Hollywood ad. You just need one insanely flexible product, a cult of creators who love to flex, and the humility to whisper while others scream. Because in today's noisy world, the loudest signal is sometimes silence. Show Notion dashboard building live with relaxing lo-fi music vibes. Subscribe if you love brain candy like this.